Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. Today the topic that I am going to teach you is about the Jamboard, Google Jamboard. As online teaching is trending nowadays, and if you are a tutor or if you are a teacher, then this video is for you. So keep watching till the end. So let's get started. So in order to open the Jamboard, you have to type on the Google Jamboard Google. When you type over that, you will see the very first link, that is a link for the Jamboard. Let us click on that link. After clicking on that link, you will see this type of window. These three are the boards that I have used previously. So these boards are already saved on my screen. So I'll click on plus button for new board. After clicking on plus button, you will see this type of screen, and at the top you will see an untitled jam. So in order to rename it, click on it and write your own name. Suppose if you are teaching English, then you can write the English and also the chapter name, and then click on OK. Then the name is saved at the top. Now let us come to the backgrounds. We have different type of backgrounds here: dotted ones, square ones, cross ones, two lines ones, and also we have colors: white, blue, and also we have black. But I mostly prefer white background, so I'm choosing here white board. So now my board is already ready now. So let us start the tools which are available. Here we have different type of pencils, brushes, and also we have 6 colors to choose from. So I'm starting from my first pen. See, the thickness is increasing as I'm selecting different pen, and at last I have one option for brush. So you can choose among 6 colors which are already given in the toolbox. Next option that is available is the eraser. Eraser works the same as we use in paint. Next tool is the selector tool. This tool is used to select the objects which are on our Jamboard. Next is the sticky note. This is a very important tool in the Jamboard. Sticky tool have different colors, even white color it also have. So I am choosing here yellow sticky note and writing some text. After writing, click on save. Your sticky note is already saved on your screen. You can drag and drop easily this sticky note and also adjust its size. Even you can create a duplicate note of same sticky note. At the top you can say 1 out of 1 means currently you are working on a single screen. Even you can go to next screen by clicking on the next arrow. Now next option is the image. You can upload your own image here. Even you can search for the Google image directly from this box. So here I am selecting the image of parts of plant. You have some more options like Google Drive and Photos to upload your own pictures. So here are the many examples which are available in parts of plant. I can choose any one whichever I like for my students. So here is my picture. I can even increase the size of my picture and also change the alignment. Next I am explaining is the laser tool, which is given at the last option. With the help of laser tool, you can explain the children by rolling around the laser on particular text. Next tool is the text tool. With the help of this tool, you can write on your Jamboard. You can even use the pen and pencils which are given on the first option, but I would suggest to use this text box to write the text. You can even make a duplicate of this text and even change the size. At the top, you can find different type of text and also the changing of color of this text. Next option is the different type of shapes which are available in this Jamboard. Let us try few examples. Here are few examples which I made on my Jamboard. You can even change the background color, border color, and also you can make the filled shapes. Currently I made the shapes which are empty, but even you can color it. Now coming to the zooming option, you can make your board adjust according to the size. You can make it 100% zoom, you can make it 200% zoom, and even you can zoom out and zoom in accordingly. You can also have the share option here where you can share your Jamboard with your students if you are working through the classroom. These are the 3 screens which I have used for the Jamboard. Even you can make multiple screens. The boards get automatically saved in your Google profile. This board can be easily shared over Google Meet and also other online teaching platforms. Do subscribe my channel for more such videos and also click on thumb if you like the video. Thanks for watching.